What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more accessories for our Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. This time we're going to be looking at Dmax Armor tempered glass screen protector. Let's check it out. So here I have the Dmax Armor tempered glass screen protector. First off, I will let you know that this is for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. 10.5-inch screen. You get two in this pack. This is an anti-fingerprint, extreme sensitivity, ultra clear, 9H ultra hardness, all that, real glass, and oleophobic. Now, if there were maybe I would say two of these things that I'm looking for, it's the anti-fingerprint and the oleophobic. Oleophobic means it's going to resist oil, and my hands sometimes when I'm touching the screen leaves a lot of fingerprints and it can tend to get greasy, so I do like that feature in a tempered glass screen protector. So there are not a whole lot of accessories out for this device right now, so found this one on Amazon. I think I paid like 12 bucks, 10, 12 bucks, somewhere around there. Not very expensive though, and you're gonna get two of these. So let's open this up. Well, let's make sure we get all the tape off. So it's tape on each side. Get all that to the side, and here we go. So when you open this up, you get some stickers, you get some dust pads, you get alcohol prep pad, and you get your two glass screens right here with the terry cloths on the inside. And you get another set of this stuff right here. I'm gonna put one set up for later, just in case. Putting this to the side. And we are gonna actually install this. So the best way to install tempered glass screen protectors is to actually turn your device off. Now sit that right there in the middle. So first thing we gotta do is clean this screen. So I'm gonna open up the contents that they give us, clean it off, and then we're going to go ahead and get this thing on. Let me get this unlocked. Okay, it's actually starting up. It looks clear. Doesn't seem to be pixelated any, because normally you can see those little pixels through there if it's an issue. Seems to be pretty clear. Like I said, no fingerprints, not leaving any fingerprints. Pencil. How is this gonna work? Okay, nice and smooth. Pencil seems to be doing well. We'll write something, create a note. Okay, those Galaxy Buds want to keep trying to connect. We'll close those. All right, writing seems to be Doing good. Okay, so screen protector seems to be a go. I'm going to give it a few days. If I have any issues, you guys will hear back from me. But for now, this is the Dmax Armor tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Seems to be doing pretty good. Ultra clear, ultra hard, oleophobic. It's going to resist those fingerprints. You couldn't ask for anything more. So I'll drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself. Hope this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.